Wow, what a day it is for open source. Polar just raised 10 million and Payload got acquired by Figma. Both of these projects have one thing in common, and that's the developer's first approach that's driving their success. Today we're diving into how Polar and Payload are winning hearts and code bases by putting developers at the core of their mission. Let's start with Polar. They're building the payment infrastructure that is all about simplicity. And their landing page says it all: payment infrastructure for the 21st century. And trust me, as someone who's fighted with Stripe in TypeScript, I'd rather not do that again. And Polar's mission: slash the lines of code in your project, fewer lines, fewer headaches. That's the developer first mindset in action. As you can see it here, integrate in under a minute. You cannot do this with any other payment infrastructure. In their announcement article, we can see that they raised 10 million by Accel, which is a venture company investing in tech companies. And we can see here a lot of familiar names. And Polar's got a massive community. We can see here that they have 5,300 stars. And yep, I'm one of them. And their secret sauce, it's that they're obsessed. They said it themselves here. So we obsess over reducing the lines of code in your code base. And that is really saying a lot, again, about that developer first approach. And one bold claim here really stands out. We believe the next unicorns will be created by individual developers. As lines blur between indie hackers, startups, and enterprises, we're building Polar to empower solo builders and early stage startups. It's a call for anyone creating some open source project, showing that solo devs can build something massive if right tools are used. If you want to see it in action, I've got 2 implementation videos. You can find them in the description below, and I'll be definitely creating more. Now let's talk about Payload, the backend to build the modern web. They just got acquired by Figma, and their tagline, we can see it here: code first for developers. Again, that developer first philosophy shines through. But why did Figma, a design platform, buy the TypeScript backend like Payload? I found the answer on this announcement article from Payload, and that's in this video. Why did Figma buy a CMS? Payload is not really a CMS, but they called it CMS here. They also said the same thing. And here is the thing. Figma wants to make it so you design something in their tool and boom, on one click, you create a fully functional project. We've seen AI tools like V0 generate React components by screenshots or prompts, so that's not sci-fi, but what Figma was missing was a robust backend to manage the data. And here comes Payload. Payload's code-first approach makes it the perfect fit for their vision. And here we can see that this acquisition is really a big hint of what's coming. And that's the seamless bridge between the design and development. So what ties Polar and Payload together? It's that developer first approach. Both projects prioritize simplicity, flexibility, and empowering devs to build fast. They're not just tools, they're proof that open source thrives when you put developers first. And the community agrees. With thousands of stars and active contributors, these projects are loved because they solve real problems without overcomplicating things. What a time to be in open source. Polar and Payload are showing us that developer-first mindset can really lead to massive success. So warriors, this is a war cry. Build your own open source projects. Contribute. If you like this content, join the mighty Horde, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.